First step is to remove the old window and frame. And this is my last screw. And from the back side, I'm going to hold this window in place. Because the glass is actually attached to the outer trim ring. And I don't know if it's just a tight fit or if it's got some kind of sealing compound holding it in place. And there is a little bit of a sealing compound on the inner surface of this trim ring. I can see it right there. I've unboxed the window and taken some painter's tape and attached the glass to the frame at the top and the bottom. There is a little bead of sealant all the way around, but it's not sufficient to keep the glass from falling out while we're working on the assembly process. And the inner frame, we have a larger section here compared to right here. So this is the top, and this part of it is a little tricky because the shade has a tendency to want to retract itself with the spring tension of these strings and fall out of the frame. This one's not too bad. I've installed one of these before and the strings were just a little bit on the tight side, so it was kind of difficult to work with. That is ready to go. So next step is to go ahead and install it in the door. This is the part that gets a little tricky. This would be much easier with two people. I rearrange my ladder and the orientation of the door so that I can work on both sides of it. One thing I noticed I did, see this here, this ridge, that is supposed to go on the inside because that's the handle to pull the shade down with. So let's do this all over again. Okay, I've reoriented this so the handle is facing the inside, and when I put this up into position, I can actually see that tape from the outside, and it looks nasty. Here's an operations test. So I found that the best way to operate this is to rotate this a little bit. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing in the video, but we sort of rock it up and towards you, and it slides a lot freer. And then when I raise it, I just grab it like this, thumb and the rest of my fingers. Or you can simply push up on it. That works easy too. But if you just grab hold of the handle and push up on it, it binds up on the inside of the window frame. And it probably hits the glass too. So keeping it square in the frame, then it operates much smoother. take some glass cleaner and clean your glass and you're good.